All right, good morning. Today we are discussing what is unit rate. It's a math term that we need to understand. Let's write it up here. Unit rate. What does it mean, unit rate? All right, let's put it in really simple terms. Let's just go with this. Unit rate means how much is it for just one? How much per just one? One of what? One of whatever we're talking about. So let's look at unit rate. Let's look at donuts here because they're good and it's easy to think about. Let's say you buy 16 donuts for $25 one day. You want to buy some donuts for your job and you buy 16 donuts for $25. The next week you go to a different place and there you buy 12 donuts for $21. And you want to know, like, who had the better deal? Like, which one of these was the better deal? It's not easy to tell because the number of donuts is different. The amount that you paid is different. So sometimes it's nice just to be able to know, well, how much did I pay for just one donut at this place? And how much did I pay for just one donut at this place? And then we can compare. So that would be finding unit rate. If you can just find out like how much for just one. All right. Well, let's see how we do that. For 16 donuts, it was $25. I don't want to know how much it was for 16 donuts. I already know that. I don't care about that. I want to know how much it was for one donut. So we know we can divide a number by itself, and the answer is always going to be 1. 10 divided by 10 is 1. 30 divided by 30 is 1. A bazillion divided by a bazillion, if that was a real number, is 1. So any number divided by itself is 1. So I want to get this down to just one donut. How much was it for just one donut? So let's go ahead and divide that by 16. 16 donuts, but let's just find out how much it was for one. Let's divide it by 16. And then to be fair, to be equal, we have to also divide this number by 16. All right, to find out how much it is for just one. All right, so 16 divided by 16 is 1. So one donut, and if we do this on our calculator, 25 divided by 16, we would get 1.56. And it looks like we're talking about dollars, so we can label it. So one donut is $1.56. All right, let's go to our new place over here. The other place, we bought 12 donuts for $21. Okay, let's find out how much it costs there for just one donut. What are we going to divide this by to get it to 1? Good. We're going to divide it by 12. So let's divide this by 12. That's going to equal 1. And what do we have to do down here to keep it equal, to keep it fair? Got to divide that by 12 also. Got to divide them both by 12. That would keep it proportional. And if we do 21 divided by 12, we get 1.75. All right. Now we can easily tell the unit rate helps us easily tell what was the better deal. It helps us compare. All right. So here at this place, one donut costs $1.56. Over here, one donut costs $1.75. We couldn't really tell what was a better deal until we found the unit rate where we get it down to just one thing instead of 16 or 12 or however. Let's get it down to just one by dividing both numbers by that top number there. All right, let's practice that.